Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Diesel. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! Perfect start! The other racer has taken the lead. 2 laps to go. The other racer has taken the lead. Amazing! You've taken the lead. Final lap. Amazing! Amazing race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it, a complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade this engine. Special ability boost. With this upgrade, your special ability boost will last longer.